Look how many they are, and how cool and beautiful, and like they talk to each other, and they are like so like it seems like the life of a duck. It's fun, like they like their life. Oh, and there is big birds as well. There is two big birds right there. I just noticed this. And normally those fly away even more. It's really special. Like it's like a chic party with the ducks and the big birds. I don't think they like when I call them big birds. What is the name of it? Oh, we got some action. Oh, they have fun.